What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and then the S&P 500. Now, we've made a lot of good progress. I'm actually very surprised with the way the markets have been moving over the past couple of hours, surprisingly here. Starting off with Solana, I mean, we knew correction was taking place. You can see that we are reversing. We have this kind of uptrend. Things look good. And then we hit a bit of resistance here since we did fall below it here. And now we're starting to come back down. But let's look at, XRP. You can see inside a descending fractal rallied out. We very surprised we hit a resistance. And now markets are starting to correct back down. I do think everything overall is making really good progress. Ethereum, surprisingly, rebounds off bottom support here and rallies outside of this. Now, this could be a buy-in opportunity if we close above this resistance. It's a very high probability we're not, so we're going to have to pay attention to that. Bitcoin, very high probability. I mean, things look insane right now. We're literally retesting all-time highs. Bitcoin's at $72,000, and we just hit 73.5. We are literally at all-time highs. This is insane. And what's crazy is nobody realizes it. Like, this is a time nobody's been paying attention to crypto, and the market has literally creeped up to all-time highs. It's pretty incredible if you ask me. The start of 2023, the start of 2023, Bitcoin was 16K. It's $72,000. What the heck? So that's incredible. Stock market is also at all-time highs. So this is nutty. The fact that the market is too focused on the election right now. Remember, go out and vote. But this is crazy talk right now. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember, BitFi is giving away $8,100 in free cryptocurrency. All you literally need to do is click the link down in the description below. It is bonus cryptocurrency, which is super cool because you can trade around with money that isn't yours, and if you lose it, who cares? I'll explain more about that. I call it like exchange arbitrage, when you use promos from other exchanges to basically fund your entire trading portfolio, which is what I like to do, especially since I'm, so accustomed to seeing so many different exchanges that approach me with bonuses and stuff like that. I'm letting you guys know on a little insider secret, which is super cool. So definitely, we'll talk about this later on in today's video, but definitely make sure to go sign up down, get a head start in the description down below. Anywho, diving into today's video, made a video yesterday saying, like, what the heck is going on? We're forming another beautiful symmetrical triangle on XRP here. And we did, or sorry, not XRP, it was Bitcoin. No, where the heck was it? On Ethereum. And we just started to break outside of that. You can see kind of the movement here as we think we are going to complete this or near it to completion and then kind of make that decision here. But diving right into kind of the technicals here, you can see we're up like barely 1% here. We're at 67 now in the Fear and Greed Index. Cryptos are all pumping. 8% for the week, 5% for Ethereum here, 20% on Doge. I mean, everything is just creeping up. All the cryptocurrency markets, like every crypto for the most part, is slowly creeping higher and higher and higher, and nobody's talking about it. It's insane. It really is insane. So with XRP to start here, my worry is a lot of these markets, it's like the market is very divided right now. We have cryptos that might dump. We have cryptos that might pump. Things are kind of all up in the air. Something like XRP looks to me to be very bearish. You can see this ascending fractal, and we just broke down. And you can see we've had this kind of lower high stair-stepping pattern here, and now we're rallying up. I would fathom rejection. I mean, even though things look good, even though we're heading higher, we are correcting. We are in a bear flag, and that to me would signal correction to the downside. We rejected off moving average and a major price ceiling here, and that's causing the markets to dip a little bit lower. I would think that we are going to continue to dip if the market allows us to, and I do strongly believe that. I don't want this to be like false hope. I don't want people to get confused or fall into the fact of believing that there is like bullish rallies ahead when there's a lot of rejection right here. We break through this, then we'll continue discussing, but for right now, this still very much so outweighs any sort of bullish movement. The fact that there's a major bear flag forming here, to me, shows signs of rejection. We're hitting this resistance, so I would expect to see correction here. We've used it as a support in the past. We broke through that. That support is now turned into resistance, and I would think we should continue to skew and fall lower. We'll obviously see if that happens, but that's kind of where my head's at moving forward here. Now, with that being said, looking at BitFi, we are trading XRP on BitFi, which is super cool. And when that decision does decide to take place, we'll obviously take advantage of it on XRP or on BitFi here. You can see we have this beautiful kind of fractal we've been tracking here. You can see the downtrend, the dump into the ascending fractal, then a dump lower here. This is a textbook bear flag, textbook. So even though we have this little false hope of reversal up, I do think we are destined to continue to spill lower, if that makes sense. Now, obviously, we're still going to take advantage of it. And there's a lot of things you could take advantage of on BitFi, including that new user benefit where you can earn up to $8,100. You can see right here tons of different ways for those that maybe have are whales. What I like to do, calling it exchange arbitrage, is you can deposit money into it, and then you can swap it. So like you deposit money, you claim the reward, and then you withdraw that money back out. And typically the bonus that you get far outweighs whatever small network fee there is of transferring money. Super easy. It's very simple. Pay attention to it, and it's a great way to hoard and stack up on this new bonus money. Then you can use that money to obviously trade around with. So it's sick. It's super easy. It's very simple to do. So make sure to check this out here to just claim. And then on top of that, they got daily benefits for those that maybe already have, an exchange, or they've already been members of BitFi here. You can see I have 500 BYD points, and you can literally stack them up every day. Just collect these daily rewards, and then you have limited rewards here, and then you can literally go and redeem that. I have 500 rewards I can redeem, 10, 50, so on and so forth, bonus USDT. You leverage the $50, you can get 500, 5,000, several $100s in bonus money, which is super cool. So make sure to check it out. Link down in the description below. All of these are free for you guys to take advantage of here. They even have a demo trading account, which gives you the opportunity to practice your skills, 50K in demo money, learn the exchange, and then click live trading when you're ready. Head on over to the live trading account, and then click on Bitcoin. You can use your bonus money right here to pretty much leverage trade. So you can click on USD wallet, go into bonus wallet, and then you can trade around with that bonus money that you have. Now, it's crazy because I really didn't think we were going to rally out of here. It's still shocking to me. We're going to talk about that next, but you can use your bonus money to leverage trade. I do have a trade open that literally went south. Super annoying here, but we're at that point now where anything's possible. Reason being is I pretty much thought we would correct once we were kind of hanging out on resistance here. And it's interesting because we are at the end of this bull flag on Bitcoin here, this lower high, lower low pattern, correction lower. We were expecting to flop like this, and then we confirmed closure outside of here. We are battling out. I mean, there's a very good chance we continue to scale higher. It's very possible. However, the worry is we are literally overbought and retesting all-time highs. Insane, yes, but I do think correction could come. It's very possible we could really dump. I don't know if that's going to come here, or we're just going to explode out. That's another... Hear me out. Unbiasedly, because I have a trade open, if I scale out and look at this here, it looks extremely bullish on Bitcoin. We have what appears to be a beautiful bull flag formation, and we're literally showing a candle breaking outside of it. Yes, we're at all-time highs, but I do believe a rally is to come, especially if we close where we're at, which is a higher point than we've ever done in a long time. This would indicate momentum to break bullish. So maybe it was a bad trade on my part here, but things look very bullish. So even if we correct down a little bit, I don't think we're going to completely dump. It would just be a small little tap, and then we rally up even higher. We're at all-time highs right now, so that's telling you something here. So it's interesting. Definitely a bad trade on my end, but it's bonus money. Who cares? I'll just get more, and we'll keep going until I make profit. So simple solution here. Ethereum rallying up higher. Things are getting wonky though, because Bitcoin looks bullish, but then you have like Ethereum, which is rejecting off moving average here, like the past. False sense of hope, and we just dumped. So huge chance that could also happen here. I don't want to take that risk right now. XRP undervalued, small correction. Things are really up in the air. Things are getting really weird, freaky. Oh, what I did want to look at was the 4-hour on S&P. Looks like there was some sort of bull flag forming here. You can see almost like a downtrend like this and a downtrend like this. Check this out. This, if it holds truth, is huge news. Huge news. Jump to the daily. Look at the bull flag that's forming here. Beautiful. It's small, but this would indicate bullish momentum, and this could rally us higher. So keep this in mind. I'll even leave it like that for right now, but bull flag breakout definitely on the radar right now. So I'm excited. Hopefully you are too. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.